Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 1 Chapter 5 Admission of a Partner. In previous lecture in question number 4 up to 1 to 4 question we already completed. Now in question number 4 sub question number 5 we start. Let us start it. Question number 4, fifth one. X and Y are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1:3. Z admitted as a new partner. Z brought rupees 65,000 as a capital and 36,000 as his share of a goodwill in cash. After Z's admission, all partners decided to distribute the profit equally in future. This is the most important thing is that entries in the books of X, Y and Z's firm. Here three partners are there, X, Y and Z, and we have to write the journal entries. Cash account debit 1,01,000. How? Because Z's capital account 65,000 and to premium. Here it is given premium is premium for goodwill account 36,000. So 65,000 plus 36,000 1,01,000 is there. Being Z brought is a share of capital and goodwill in cash. Now this goodwill we have to distribute it. Premium for goodwill account debit 36,000, X capital account debit 9,000 to Y's capital account 45,000. Being premium for goodwill and gain part of goodwill given to Y. We have to give the premium amount to Y only. And this premium amount, remaining amount brought by the X also. So sacrificing ratio, old ratio of X and Y is 1:3. So 1/4. Ratio 3/4. New ratio of X, Y and Z is 1:1:1 means 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. Sacrifice of a partner is equal to old share minus new share. Sacrifice of X is equal to 1/4 minus 1/3. Cross multiplication is there. 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4. 3 minus 4 upon all 12. So here minus 1/12 because 3 minus 4 is not possible. 4 minus 3 is there, so minus 1 is there. When there is a minus answer, we know that it is a gain. And so sacrifice of Y is equal to 3/4 minus 1/3. Cross multiplication 3 3s are 9 and 4 1s are 4. 9 minus 4 upon 12 is equal to 5/4. Here goodwill of Z forms goodwill multiplied by profit share of Z. 36,000 goodwill of Z is equal to firm's goodwill we don't know and profit share of 1/3. So firm's total goodwill is equal to 36,000 into 1/3 is equal to 1,08,000. Goodwill bring by X is equal to 1,08,000 multiplied by 1/12 is equal to 9,000 because it is a gain part. Now next question number 6. M, N and O are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 4:3:3. They admitted P as a new partner. P brought 40,000 as a goodwill in cash. New profit sharing ratio of all the partners is decided 1:1:2:1. Balance of goodwill in old firm was rupees 50,000. Entries in the books of M, N, O and P's firm. M's capital account debit 20,000, N's capital account 50,000, O's capital account 15,000 to goodwill account 50,000. Being old goodwill account distributed among old partners in their old profit and loss ratio. Cash account debit 40,000 to premium for goodwill account 40,000. Being P brought premium for goodwill in cash. Third one, premium for goodwill account debit 40,000, O's capital account debit 20,000 to M's capital account 40,000 to N's capital account 20,000. Being premium for goodwill and gain part of goodwill of O distributed among M and N in the sacrificing ratio. So first of all we find the sacrificing ratio. Old ratio of M and OR is 4:3:3. 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10. 4/10, 3/10 and 3/10. New ratio of M and O and P is equal to 1:1:2:1. 1/5, 1/5, 2/5 and 1/5. Sacrifice of a partner is equal to old share minus new share. Sacrifice of M 4/10 minus 1/5. Here 10 and 5 is there, so LCM is a 10. So second term 1/5 we multiply by 2/2 to make the denominator 10. 2/10 is there. 4/10 minus 1/5 into 2/2. then we get 2 upon 10. 4 upon 10 minus 2 upon 10. 4 minus 2 upon all 10 is equal to 2 upon 10. Sacrifice of n is equal to 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. Here also second term we make the denominator 10. Multiple by 2 by 2. 2 upon 10. 3 minus 2 upon 10. 3 minus 2 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 10. Sacrifice of O is equal to 3 upon 10 minus 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 multiple by 2 by 2, then we get 4 upon 10. Here also 3 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10, then we get 3 minus 4 upon all 10 is equal to minus 1 upon 10. Because here 3 minus 4 is not possible, so minus 4 upon 3 is there, so minus 1 upon 10. So here sacrifice ratio of a partner M and N 2 upon 10 ratio 1 upon 10 is equal to 2 ratio 1. Goodwill of P is equal to goodwill of firm multiplied by share of P. 40,000 is equal to goodwill of firm multiplied by 1 upon 5. So goodwill of firm is equal to 40,000 multiplied by 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 lakh is that. Goodwill bring by O is equal to 2 lakh multiplied by 1 upon 10 gain is equal to 20,000, which is debited. It's a capital account. Total amount of a goodwill is equal to 40,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 60,000, which is distributed between partner M and N in their sacrifice ratio 2:1. Now question number 7. B and C are the partners. D admitted as a new partner in the firm. D brought 50,000 as a capital and 14,000 in cash out of his share in goodwill rupees 20,000. Entries in the books of B, C and D's firm. Cash account debit 64,000 to D's capital account 50,000 to premium for goodwill account 14,000. Being D brought premium for goodwill and his share of capital in cash. So here we have to write 50,000 and 14,000. Premium for goodwill account debit 14,000, D's capital account debit 6,000 to B's capital account 10,000, C's capital account 10,000. Equally distributed among C and B and C. Being premium for goodwill amount brought by D and not brought by D, distributed among partner B and C in their sacrifice ratio. Next question, 8th one. A, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:4. They maintain their capital accounts by fixed capital method. They admitted D as a new partner. D brought 70,000 as a capital and 30,000 as a share of a goodwill in cash. At the time of admission of a D, the balance of a goodwill was rupees 45,000. In the balance sheet of the firm, at the time of admission, goodwill is valued of rupees 1,80,000. New ratio of A, B, and C and D decided 1:1:1. A's current account debit 15,000, B's current account 10,000, C's current account 20,000 to goodwill account 45,000. Being old goodwill amount distributed among old partners in their old profit and loss sharing ratio. Cash account debit 1 lakh to D's capital account 70,000 to premium for goodwill account 30,000. Being D brought a premium for goodwill and his share of capital in cash. Premium for goodwill account debit 30,000, D's current account 15,000, B's current account 5,000 to A's capital account 15,000 to C's capital account 35,000. Being premium for goodwill and gain part of goodwill of B distributed among A and B in their sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio. Old ratio of A, B and C is 3:2:4, 3/9, 2/9 and 4/9. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. New ratio of A, B, C and D is 1:1:1:1:1, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. Sacrifice of partner is equal to old share minus new share. Sacrifice of A 3/9 minus 4/9. Cross multiplication is there. 3 4s are 12 and 9 1s are 9. 12 minus 9 upon all 9 4s are 36. 3 upon 36. Sacrifice of B 2 upon 9 minus 1 upon 4. Here 4 2s are 8 and 9 1s are 9. 8 minus 9 minus 1 upon 36. Gain is there. Sacrifice of a C 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 4. Here also 16 minus 9 upon 36. 4 4s are 16 and 9 1s are 9. 16 minus 9 upon 36 is equal to 7 upon 36. Sacrifice ratio of partner A and C 3 upon 36 and 7 upon 36 is there. 3 by 7 and gain of B is equal to 1 upon 36. Goodwill bring by B is equal to 1,80,000 multiplied by 3 upon 36 is equal to rupees 15,000, which is debited to its current account. Share of D in goodwill is equal to 1,80,000 multiplied by 1 upon 4 is equal to 45,000. Amount of goodwill bring by D not in cash. 45,000 minus 30,000 is equal to 15,000, which is debited to its current account. Fourth point, amount of premium for goodwill of D's share rupees 45,000, cash account 30,000 plus D's current account 15,000 and goodwill of B's gain rupees 5,000. So total rupees 50,000 is distributed between partner A and C in the ratio 3:7. Question number 9. A and B are the partner sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share. C brought rupees 30,000 as a capital in cash but could not bring as a share of goodwill rupees 10,000 in cash. New partner not brought that goodwill in cash. Let us start the answer part. Entries in the books of A, B and C's firm. Particular cash account debit 30,000 to C's capital account 30,000, being D brought his share of capital in cash. C's capital account debit 10,000 to A's capital account 6,000 to B's capital account 4,000, being share of goodwill of debited to his capital account and distributed among A and B in their sacrifice ratio. Now, 10th one. P and Q are the partner sharing profit and loss in the equal proportion. They maintain their capital account by fixed capital method. They admitted R as a new partner. At the time of R's admission, goodwill rupees 70,000 was appearing in the balance sheet. R brought rupees 40,000 as his capital in cash. Goodwill is valued at rupees 1,60,000. New profit sharing ratio of P, Q and R is decided at 5:2:1. Here, entries of the books of P, Q and R firm. P's capital account debit 35,000, Q's capital account 35,000 to goodwill account 70,000. Cash account debit 40,000 to R's capital account 40,000, being R brought his share of capital in cash. R's current account 20,000, P's current account 20,000 to Q's current account 40,000, being R's share of goodwill and P's share of gain of premium for goodwill debited to their current account and credited to Q's current account. Now, goodwill of a partner R is equal to rupees 1,60,000 multiplied by 1/8 is equal to rupees 20,000. Now, how sacrifice ratio? Old ratio of P and Q is equal to 1:1, 1/2, 1/2. New ratio of P, Q and R is 5:2:1, 5/8, 2/8 and 1/8. So sacrifice partner old share minus new share. Sacrifice of P 1/2 minus 5/8. Here a 2 and 8 is there, so LCM is 8. We multiply the first term to make the denominator 8. Multiply by 4/4. So here 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. 4/8 minus 5/8 is equal to minus 1/8. Gain is there. Sacrifice of a Q. 1/2 minus 2/8. Here also in denominator 2 and 8 is there, so LCM 8. And so make the first term 1/2, make the denominator 8. We multiply by 4/4. So here we get 4/8 minus 2/8 is equal to 2/8. Now goodwill bring by P is equal to 1,60,000 multiplied by 1/8, again rupees 20,000, which is debited to his current account. Sacrifice done by partner Q, so goodwill amount is credited to its current account only. Now question number 11. Capital of G and E is rupees 80,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. They admitted B as a new partner for 1/4 share in a profit. B brought rupees 50,000 as his capital. Calculate goodwill and pass necessary journal entries for goodwill. Entries in books of P, Q and R's firm. Cash account debit 50,000 to B's capital account 50,000. B brought his share of capital in cash. B's capital account 2,500 to G's capital account 1,250 to E's capital account 1,250. Bring goodwill share of B debited to his capital account and credited to G and E's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Here, sacrifice ratio of G and E old ratio 1:1. Capital of B at 1/4 share is equal to 50,000. So total capital of the firm at 1 share is equal to how much? 50,000 into 4/1 is equal to 2 lakh. Now, goodwill of the firm is equal to net worth of firm on the basis of B's capital minus net worth of new firm excluding goodwill. 2 lakh minus 80,000 plus 60,000 plus 50,000. So 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 90,000. So goodwill of the firm is 10,000. Goodwill of B is equal to 10,000 into 1/4. So 2,500. Now question number 12. R, C and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. Their capital as on 1/4/2016 is 1 lakh 60,000 and 50,000 respectively. On that date, the balance sheet of general reserve was 90,000. They admitted P as a new partner. P brought 1,80,000 as his capital. New profit and loss sharing ratio of all the partners is decided 2:1:1:2. Calculated goodwill and past necessary journal entries. Entries in the books of R, C, B and P's firm. General reserve account 90,000 to R's capital 45,000 to C's capital 30,000 to B's capital 15,000. Being general reserve amount distributed among old partners in their old profit and loss ratio. Cash account debit 1,80,000 to P's capital 1,80,000 being P brought his share of capital in cash. P's capital account debit 20,000 to R's capital 10,000 to C's capital 10,000 being share of goodwill of P distributed among R and C in their sacrifice ratio. Goodwill of new partner, new ratio of R, C and B and P 2:1:1:2. New ratio of P 2/6. Capital of P at 2/6 share 1,80,000. So total capital of firm 1 share is equal to how much? 1,80,000 multiplied by 6/2 is equal to 5,40,000. Net worth of a new firm excluding goodwill, capital of old partner plus general reserve plus capital of a new partner. 2,10,000 plus 90,000 plus 1,80,000 is equal to 4,80,000. Goodwill of the firm is equal to net worth of the firm on the basis of P's capital minus net worth of new firm excluding goodwill. 5,40,000 minus 4,80,000. Goodwill of the firm is equal to 60,000. Goodwill of P is equal to 60,000 multiplied by 2/6 is equal to 20,000. Sacrificing ratio. Old ratio of R, C and B is equal to 3:2:1. 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. New ratio of R, C, B and P is equal to 2:1:1:2. 2/6, 1/6, 1/6 and 2/6. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share. So sacrifice of R is equal to 3/6 minus 2/6. 3 minus 2/6 is equal to 1/6. Sacrifice of a C is equal to 2/6 minus 1/6 is equal to 2 minus 1/6 is equal to 1/6. Sacrifice of B is equal to 1/6 minus 1/6 is equal to 0. Sacrifice ratio of a partner R and C is equal to 1/6, 1/6, so 1:1. Amount of goodwill will be credited. Now 13. X and Y are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:3. And they admitted Z as a new partner for 1/5 share. Goodwill is valued at rupees 20,000. Balance of goodwill appeared at 15,000 in the balance sheet. Z brought rupees 50,000 as his capital and 80% of his share of goodwill in cash. Out of a partner withdraw 40% amount of goodwill in cash, which is credited to their capital account. After the admission of Z, the profit of the first year of the new firm was rupees 60,000. Past necessary journal entries. Entries in the books of X, Y and Z's firm. X capital account debit 6,000, Y's capital account 9,000 to goodwill account 15,000. Being old goodwill amount distributed among old partner in their old profit and loss ratio. Cash account debit 53,200 to Z's capital 50,000 to premium for goodwill account 3,200. Being Z brought his share of a capital and goodwill amount in cash. Premium for goodwill account debit 3,200, Z's capital account 800 to X capital account 1,600 to Y's capital account 2,400. Being premium for goodwill amount brought by Z and not brought Z distributed among partners X and Y in their sacrifice ratio. Profit and loss account debit 60,000 to X capital account 19,200 to Y's capital account 28,800 to Z's capital account 12,000. Being profit after admission of a Z distributed among all three partners in their new profit and loss ratio. Old ratio of X and Y, sacrifice ratio 2:3. New profit and loss sharing ratio. Suppose total share of the firm is 1. Profit remaining after share of Z's profit 1 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. New share is equal to remaining profit multiplied by old share. 4 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 25. New share of Y is equal to 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5, 12 upon 25. New share of a Z is equal to 1 upon 5, making the denominator equal 1 upon 5 into 5 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 20. So new profit loss sharing ratio is 8:12:5. Goodwill of a Z is equal to 20,000 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 4,000, from which 80% amount is 3,200 bring in cash and remaining rupees 800 will be debited to its capital account. So this way our question number 4 is over. Thank you very much.